Hey everybody, this is Ralph, and in this video, I want to do just a thumbnail sketch of the Home Business Academy compensation plan. And it's very simple. They pay 80% recurring commissions on every qualified sale. Now you have to own the level that you're selling before you can earn commissions. That's the qualified part of it. But after that, you're all good. And I like that qualifier because it means that you have to have some experience with the product before you're actually out there trying to sell it to other people. So I think you're much better as a salesperson if you know the product that you're trying to sell just from your own personal experience. Now, there are 3 levels to the HBA compensation plan. The first is the Let's Goal app. The Let's Goal app is a very inexpensive, really, level. It's a self-improvement app that you can put right on your own phone. And it helps you to keep track of your daily goals, helps you to set goals, helps you to get into a morning routine that will help you become more successful, more focused in your business and personal life. It costs $10 a month to join at that level, and it pays $8 recurring commissions. So you bring in 2 customers at that level. That level is not only free to you, but you're also in profit already. So that's pretty neat. Second level is the funnel builder level. And with the funnel builder level, you can create sales funnels for HBA or anything else that you happen to be selling. You can create lead capture pages, video pages, presentation pages, even create membership sites. They've got excellent training at that level. It costs $25 per month to join at that level. You get all the bells and whistles, and it pays $20 recurring commissions. So again, make 2 sales and you're already in profit. The third and final level in the HBA Home Business Academy is the HBA Premium level. And this is the traffic and conversions training. It's where we meet by Zoom 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. We learn about the basics of, and more than the basics really, but how to get leads, how to convert leads to sales. And the owners talk you through everything, every step of the way. And it costs $125 a month for coaching 5 days a week. And you can join live, or you can, if you can't join live, you can always catch the recorded version of the training. And yeah, it costs $125 a month, and it pays $100 recurring commissions. So again, make 2 sales. You are already in profit. And the owners of the Home Business Academy, they are focused on your success. When we do Zoom meetings, when we do our mastermind meetings, when we do our trainings, these guys will stay around answering your questions, and they want to make sure that you understand exactly what is going on and that you have everything that you need to succeed. Incredible value in this program. I have never seen anything like it before. So if you want to check it out, go to my main website, www.ralphshomebiz.com, and that link will be in the program description down below. All right, this is Ralph signing out. Thank you for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. So long.